Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to left to 1 and 1. And now, as you can see, the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to right corner button and we can move to 9 and 16, a little bit longer aspect ratio. And here we can also tap to full one. So for now we have full camera frame. And of course here in right corner button options you can move to whatever you need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.